We've done business in many, many states and cities around the country. I've been investing around the country, and we signed up with Fund&Grow and offered it to our clients several months ago, and the response was great. They signed up for the program. They learned a lot about using business credit and taking advantage of additional funding opportunities so that they could invest in more properties. And they really learned how, I think a lot of them really learned how the credit system works. That was sort of one of the side benefits. Of course, the main benefit is they get funding. And most of them came back to us and said that pretty quickly after signing up for the program, they got about $30,000 to $40,000 worth of funding right out of the gate. And then later, Fund&Grow takes them in to do a second round and a third round after that. So we're looking forward to getting more results for them in terms of the funding after that. For the last maybe 10 or 12 years, I've been a hard money lender, so I've been financing properties for our what we call local market specialists that provide properties to our clients. And so I've been doing those hard money loans myself and financing those deals. And sometimes our clients need funding for a transaction that they just want to close on quickly, and then maybe they'll refinance it within 6 months, and they can get the same as a purchase money loan doing that a lot of times. So that's really good. And the Fund&Grow funding allows them to make decisions quickly, seize opportunities quickly, and buy properties without waiting for traditional mortgage financing. And I don't know if you know what's going on in the mortgage market right now, but it is so impacted. And because the whole country is refinancing, the lenders, some of them literally aren't accepting any new applications. So for clients that want to just go around that system and deal with sort of doing purchase money financing within 6 months after acquiring the property, they can use Fund&Grow funding. They can wire money to the title company right away, buy properties quickly, and then they can refinance them at their leisure later. And that provides an additional option and some additional convenience. And it also keeps them from losing an opportunity on a property they might not be able to buy because they can't act quickly.